If you want to take a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy A56, here are different warehouse methods of doing it. So let's start with the classic one. Locate your power button and your volume down button and press them together. As you see, our screenshot is made. Easy as that. The next one is still quite a classic, so swipe down from the top right corner, open up this panel and press take screenshot. If you don't have your take screenshot option, tap on this pencil icon, press edit, add edit right here. Easy as that once again. The next one is through our palm swipe. So let's open up our settings, scroll down to our advanced features. Now locate your motions and gestures. And now let's activate palm swipe to capture. Great, it's activated. So now let's grab our phone and do this movement. Grab your palm and swipe from one side of the screen to other side. And as you see, screenshot is made. By the way, you can find all of the screenshots in your gallery. Great. Now let's talk about scrolling screenshots. So open up any page which is long enough and take a screenshot with any comfortable method. Now tap on this icon to scroll down and you see it's scrolling. So if you need more of that page, tap on this icon more and more and you will go down and down. You can find your scrolling screenshot, your full screenshot in your gallery once again. All right, the next way is through our assistive menu. Open up your settings, scroll down to your accessibility, interaction and dexterity, assistant menu, activated, select assistant menu items, and here leave only your screenshot. So now we can simply tap on this floating icon and the screenshot is going to be made. Easy as that. The next variant is through our Edge panel. So open up your settings, scroll down to your display. Here, locate your Edge panels. Make sure that they're activated. Panels, tasks, press edit, and make sure that your take screenshot is added here. Now, let's summon our Edge panels and press take screenshot. Easy as that. Also, if you have a problem with your palm swipe, simply train a bit and you will catch it eventually, and make sure that all of the options are turned on so everything is working correctly. And I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.